Are you struggling to extract key names from JSON in SQL Server? You're not alone. This is a common challenge for many developers. Today, we're going to break it down and show you how to dynamically query JSON key names. I totally get it. You have a JSON object, and you want to see the key names and their corresponding values in a neat table format. It can be frustrating when you don't know how many keys there will be or what they are. But don't worry, we will tackle this together. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked how to extract key names from a JSON object like this. Setting 1, setting 2, and setting 3. They want a dynamic solution instead of hard-coding each key. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. So what's the issue here? SQL Server has built-in functions for working with JSON, but extracting dynamic key names can be tricky. We need to use the OpenJSON function effectively to achieve this. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will make working with JSON in SQL Server even easier. To dynamically extract the key names and values from JSON in SQL Server, the user can use the OpenJSON function without specifying each key. This allows for flexible handling of varying JSON structures. Next, the user should set up the query to return the key names and their corresponding values. This can be achieved by selecting the results from the OpenJSON function directly. Now the user can refine the output to match the desired format. This involves ensuring the output displays the key names as name and their corresponding values. Finally, the user can execute the query to see the results. This will provide a dynamic view of the JSON keys and their values, adapting to any changes in the JSON structure. Fun fact, JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and it's become the go-to format for data interchange on the web. Who knew data could be so trendy? Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach involves using a table to store the JSON string. First, create a table and insert your JSON data. Then use cross-apply to convert the JSON into XML format, allowing you to extract the key names and values dynamically. Alternatively, you can use a string variable to hold your JSON data. The process is similar. Convert the JSON string to XML and then extract the key names and values using cross-apply. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative approach involves using a table value or TVF called extract. This user created the function to simplify the extraction of key value pairs from JSON strings. The example provided shows how to declare a table, insert JSON data, and then use the extract function to retrieve the settings dynamically. The user also provides the definition of the extract function, which uses common table expressions to parse the JSON string based on specified delimiters. This allows for flexible extraction of keys and values without knowing their names in advance. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always validate your JSON structure before querying. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now know how to dynamically extract key names from JSON in SQL Server. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our other videos on SQL Server.